Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. My name is Kara, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC in New York, and I'm going to make this process really easy for you. This is the updated 2026 version, so there's a couple little changes, not too big of a deal, but basically I'm going to be showing you on my screen at the same time you follow along on yours. So click the link in the description below. And if you could pull this tab of me over to a different side of your computer, or maybe you have, me playing on your phone and you have your laptop open, that's the best way to do that. That way you can kind of see what I'm doing on the computer at the same time that you follow along. So I'm going to show you how to file your LLC, and this process is going to be so easy that you don't really feel like you're working. I don't like to overcomplicate things. I don't like to figure out a bunch of confusing stuff on the computer. So it's going to be super easy. So again, click that link and let's get right into it. Okay, so this is the Taylor Brands website. This is what the link will take you to. And I prefer to use Taylor Brands for filing LLCs because it's very straightforward, it's very easy, and it's just a little more, I would say, user-friendly. It pretty much explains everything for you in very plain terms, and there's no guesswork. So I love that. So let's start by clicking New York. And now you're going to type in the name of your business. So I do eyelash extensions. And what industry do you fall into? So you probably have a general idea of what industry you're in. And as you start to type in, a letter, it will give you a bunch of options. So that one's for me. And what stage are you in with your business? Now the next few questions are more of like a survey. So click whatever applies if you have experience or no experience, and if you're going to have other partners or not. Again, that can be changed later. Now you found Taylor Brands through YouTube, and this part's just kind of telling you like an offer they have. You don't have to click anything here. Okay, and now you could type in your information. Okay, you guys, so look, we are already on section 2 of 3. Not sure if you realized you were working yet, but you have already completed part 1 of 3. So only 2 more sections, and you can see how fast the first section was. So we're gonna blow right through this. So let's keep going. Okay, so getting your EIN number is really crucial to starting a business, and especially if you're really, trying to take this business serious and make some real money from this. An EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business, and it's just another way to protect your business separate from your personal assets. You're also going to need your EIN number when you file your taxes. And again, like I said, that keeps your personal separate from your business. So any profits and losses will not affect your personal stuff. Okay, so there's 2 ways you can get this. Number 1, you can have Taylor Brands do it for you. It's $99 and you don't have to do any work. That's my favorite. Your second option is you could get it for free, but you do have to do work. So I'm going to show you that option and you can see which one you want to do. So if you decide to do it yourself, you're going to go onto the IRS website and look up the EIN number. Then you're going to go apply for an EIN. Okay, begin application. All right, so let's see. If you're just working by yourself, you can click sole proprietor. I guess this one. And yeah, I mean, you can just kind of see the way it's laid out. It's a lot more reading and work. I don't want to read all this for you. If you want to read all of it, you can. But to me, I would rather pay $99 and not deal with all that stuff. So it's totally up to you guys. But again, like I said, I'm going to click this first option here. And every single year, you have to renew your LLC. So that's no matter what state that you live in. And the reason you have to renew it is because if you don't, someone could take your business name, which would be absolutely horrible, especially if you're established and somebody takes that name, you kind of have to start over. So let's see. So you will get notified by the government in advance that your LLC is going to expire, you need to renew it, and you do have to pay, I'm not sure the amount for it, but that is every single business with an LLC, you have to do that, okay? So if you decide that you are kind of worried about that, you might miss an email, you might forget, whatever, Tabler Brands can do it for you. You still will have to pay that renewal fee, and you will also have to pay Tabler Brands to renew it for you. But if you're busy and you really don't want to worry about losing your whole business potentially, this is a good option to have. I'm just going to make a note of it. So I'm going to click I'll handle the compliance. That will save me a little bit of money. A branding toolkit, let's just skip on this part. And if you want your LLC in just one day, one business day, it is $99 extra. So if you're ready to get it going, that's a great option for you. If you want to save some money and get it in 2 weeks from now, you know, maybe you're not pressed for time, that's cool too. You can click this option here and it does not cost anything extra. Okay, an operating agreement is good to have no matter what business you have, but it's just about crucial if you have business partners. So it's going to break down like the responsibilities and the ownership of each member involved. So let's say down the line, you and your partner, you know, you have some disagreements or whatever, you know, it'll kind of make sure you guys are aligned with everything and there's no miscommunications down the line in regards to who has what responsibility, who owns what, things like that. So you can get it from Tabler Brands or you can figure it out yourself. Let's click get an operating agreement. Okay, then Tabler Brands is offering you this formation kit. It's essentially a binder with every single piece of paperwork that you're ever gonna need for your business. So if you're serious about, you know, getting organized with your business, I actually think the formation kit's pretty cool. It has like a planner, it has stuff for finances, it has stuff for taxes, pretty much everything that you could need in one and you're gonna end up getting anyway. But I wouldn't say that it's necessary to have. It's just if you wanna like kind of level up with the organization. So I personally have a planner right now. It's all I need. It's kind of working for me. So I'm just gonna click no. And okay, this is a new feature from Tabler Brands. So they are offering that you can open a free bank account with them. You get a debit card. You guys, I highly, highly recommend, whether it's through Tabler Brands or another bank, definitely open that separate bank account from your personal. Couple reasons. One, like I mentioned, again, just same as getting your LLC and your EIN, it keeps your personal assets separate from your business. So let's just say somebody tries to sue you in the future. I hope that doesn't happen, but it can happen. It will protect your personal assets. So if they try to take all your money from your business, which would be horrible, obviously, they cannot touch your personal stuff, which is amazing. So also, you know, it's good to see what money you have coming in, especially if you have a partner. You don't want your partner, let's say of your business and personal are all on one credit card, and you or your partner start spending it on groceries or going out to eat or drinks. You know, definitely don't want that. So this kind of keeps everything separate and you can see exactly what money is coming in and going out from your business. That'll also come in handy in the long run when you're doing taxes. You know, you can always write off those, you know, business dinners or gas for going on a trip for work, anything like that. So yeah, let's get that free account. And you guys, I'll show you at the end, if you change your mind about any of these add-ons, you can always deselect them as well. So, all right, let's get notified about our LLC filing. Okay, so we are on section 3 of 3, we're almost done. So what I want you to do is click see other options first. And here's the breakdown of 3 different plans that Tabler Brands offers. The first one is the light plan, which is what we're gonna be doing today. But also, I want you to check out these 2. They do offer some cool stuff. So like, for example, the Elite plan is $250 a year. Now, while it is a little more expensive, they're creating a website for you. So if you don't have a really professional website already, they can cost you way more than $250 to get that up and going. So yeah, it just depends what you're trying to do with your business. But if you want to make your business look really upscale, high end, you definitely want to have a nice website on there. So feel free to check out these others, but we're just going to click the light plan for today. And here is a breakdown of our fees. So the New York State filing fees for an LLC is $205. This is no matter how, where, why, or when you file your LLC, it's always going to be $205 in New York. And every single year it's a little bit different. So next year it could be cheaper, this year it could be, next year it could be cheaper or more expensive. It just fluctuates. And we're getting that operating agreement for $99. If you decide, you know what, I don't need it today, just unselect. We're also going to, here's a free trial of invoicing and bookkeeping. If you want to do it, just keep in mind you will get charged $30 every month after. Again, you can click or unclick that. We're getting that free business bank account opened. And our $99 for our EIN number. So your total due today is $205. That is for your LLC. And after, I think it's like a week or so after your LLC is filed, then they will charge you the EIN number. So just keep in mind you will get that second charge. It's not a mistake. It's just the second part of the payment. Okay, so then you will go to pay. And that's it. You guys are completely done. But let me just say, when you go to enter your credit card information, it will ask for an address. I am a mobile business, so I've always put my home address, and it's really not a big deal. I don't get like spam mail or anything. But if you're worried about that, you can either use like a virtual address or, of course, a storefront address if you happen to have that. But Taylor Brands is very safe. They're a very credible company. You don't have to worry about your information, being sent out to third-party businesses that are going to spam you or anything like that. And yeah, that's it, you guys. You've just filed your LLC in New York, and I hope this was helpful. But if you do have questions, please leave them in the comments below, or maybe you have a specific question about something that I showed you today. Just let me know, and I'm happy to help you out as much as I can. And yeah, best of luck with your business, and I'll see you guys next time.